So hi, my name is Krishna and today we are going to start Linux from zero. If you want to learn programming, hacking or become a developer, so Linux is very important. So first, what is Linux? Linux is an operating system. As you know, Linux is an operating system. Linux is a operating system. Linux is an operating system just like Windows or Mac. Windows slash Mac OS. Let's take example. What is operating system? Take example. Example is that when you open when you when you open your laptop or computer, that the system runs every time sorry everything is called operating system. Operating system operating system operating system is OS. So what is operating system? When you open your laptop or computer, that system run everything is called operating system. Then next, why we use Linux? Then second, why we use Linux? Why we use Linux? Wait. Second question is why we use Linux. Linux क्यों यूज करते हैं? There are many reasons. There are many reasons. First is Linux is free and open source, so everyone can use it. Linux is free and open source. And open source operating system. So everyone can use it. Linux is free and open source operating system, so everyone can use it. Second, it is fast and secure. Linux is fast. Fast than we can say fast than Windows. Fast and secure. Third, guy we use it used by hacker or developers. Hackers and developers. So why we use Linux? There are many reasons. First, Linux is free and open source operating system, so everyone can use it. Second, Linux is fast and secure. Third, it used by hacker and developer. Then next, where we use Linux. Linux कहाँ यूज करते हैं? Where we use Linux. Where we use Linux. Third question is where we use Linux. Where we use Linux. So Linux used in servers. Linux used in servers. Linux used in servers. It also used by hacker for cyber security. It also used by hacker for cyber security. It also used in programming, for programming also. Programming also. Then third is for program also. It also used in a Android phone that based on Linux. Android phone or mobile that based on Linux. So where we use Linux? Linux used in servers. It also used by hacker for cyber security, for programming also. Then Android phones that based on Linux. Then next, difference between Windows or Linux. Difference between Windows or Linux. So this time we write Windows, and next side Linux. First, what is the meaning of window? Window means Microsoft. Sorry. Microsoft Windows operating system. What is the meaning of window? Microsoft Windows operating system. And next is Linux. Linux means Linux operating system. Linux operating system. Then next, Windows is paid operating system. I write with black one. Windows is paid operating system. But Linux is free and open source operating system. Free and open source operating system. Then next, in Windows we see many virus, more virus, but Linux there are no any virus, no any kind of virus. then third क्या हुआ? Then third, window is best for gaming. Window is best for gaming. And the Linux is best for programming. It is best for programming. It is best for programming. Window means it is easy to use. It is easy to use. Linux is hard. Starting time you facing some problems, but it is hard but still, but if you do daily practice, so it become easy. Then next, so it's all about Linux. Thank you for watching this video, and next video I explain what is virtualization and type of hypervisor.